session 7. In the previous class, you have learnt that multiplication of integers. In that, the properties of multiplication of integers you have learnt, that is commutativity, associativity, distributive property, additive identity. These all things you have learnt. Now, exercise 1.3, I am going to solve on the basis of those all points you have learnt in the previous class. Now, see here children, one information I am going to tell you. Already we have given the notebook list of all the subjects. In that, mathematics 200 pages, horizontal line, two books we told. In that one book, you have to take this all the points and even the exercise also, all the sums I am solving. So, neatly you have to copy the points as well as the exercise. Now already so many points and exercise 1.1, 1.2 over. Now in today's class, that is in the session 7, I am solving exercise 1.3. So, first main, exercise 1.3, first main. Find each of the following products. Find each of the following products. Now we have to find out the products here. First one, A. 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. Here multiplication of different integers we are multiplying. So what it is here? Plus into minus, minus 3 ones are 3. Next, second one, minus 1 into 225. B minus 1 into 225. So minus into plus is minus, 1 into 225 is 225. Here the important thing, multiplication you know. Signs multiplication is important here. Next, C minus 21 into minus 30 into minus 30. See here, minus into minus is plus. Usually plus we don't mention, it is understood. Then 21 into 30. 630. Answer is 630. Then the next one is D. Minus 316 into minus 1. See here, minus into minus is plus. 316 into 1 is 316. Next, E. Next one is minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. See here, this number is multiplied by 0. So the product is 0. Automatically 0 is multiplied by minus 18. 0. So this is 0. Here sign, no need to seeing off, no need to seeing the sign here because the product is 0. Then the next one is, that is F. That is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10 is equal to, see here, first sign, minus into minus plus. So 12 tens are 120, okay, or 12 11s are, you have to multiply. See, 12 2s are 22, 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11 plus 2, 13. 132. This is 132. Better we can write here. 132 into 10 is equal to 1320 is the answer. Next comes G1, that is 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Minus into minus plus. 6 3s are 18. 18 9s are 162. 162. Next H. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Okay. Then 5 4s are 20 or 18 5s are, like that also you can do. The total answer is, that is 360. 360. Next one is I. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4 is equal to, first sign, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Next J. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Here see, 3 6 are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 1s are 36 is the answer. Like this you have to multiply the different integers with their sign. This is all first main. Now the second main, verify. Verify the following. Second main. Verify the following. We have to verify the LHS and RHS here. See, first one I will show you. 18 into bracket 7 plus minus 3 bracket complete is equal to 18 into 7 bracket complete plus 18 into minus 3 bracket complete. Now first we will take LHS. Which is LHS here? LHS. Plus of minus 3. Okay. Now 18 into, we will remove this bracket first, common bracket, plus into minus, minus 3. Next 18 into 7 minus 3 is 4. So 18 4s are 72. The same way we have to get the RHS also. What is RHS? RHS is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay. Now 18 sevens are 126 plus 18 threes are 54. Here minus 54. See, 126 plus into minus 54 is equal to, this is 72. So here this implies that LHS is equal to RHS. That means that 18 into 7 plus into bracket minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3 is verified. This is what? The method of solving the problems systematically, like this you have to solve. Okay? Is equal to must be one under the other. See, you have to observe these all things. You are now 7th standard students. These are all things you have to learn. Solving the problem systematically is equal to should be one under the other. One is equal to here, one is equal to here, one is equal to here. No, that is not the method of solving the problems. You may get the right answer, but method is also important. Okay, as well as the neatness. So this is what the method of solving the mathematics problems. The next verification, that is, this is A and the next one is B. What is that? Minus 21 into bracket minus 4 plus of minus 6 bracket complete is equal to, in the brick bracket, minus 21 into minus 4 bracket complete plus minus 21 into minus 6. Okay, first we will take here LHS. Which is LHS here? Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. This is LHS. See now, is equal to minus 21. First we will keep as it is into, see here, minus 4 plus into minus 6. Minus 21 minus 4 into minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. Here into is there, minus 10. So minus into minus 6 plus 21 tens are 210. Now we have to see this one for the RHS. What is the RHS? Minus 21 in the big bracket it is into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Okay. Now first we remove this bracket. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Now minus into minus is plus 21, 4 is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 84 plus minus into minus plus 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So this is 6 plus 4, 10, carrying 1, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 plus 1, 210. So this implies that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So how can we write? We have to write here LHS. What is that? Minus 21 into, in the brick bracket, minus 4 plus minus 6 is equal to, in the big bracket, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6 is verified. See, like this you have to solve the problem. Please copy this neatly. Next the third main. See here. First one, third main, first one. For any integer a, what is, see, a this is. What is minus 1 into a equal to? See, minus 1 into a equal to. Minus into plus, minus 1 is a. Answer is minus a. Finish. Such kind of questions will come in fill in the blanks. Okay. So keep it in the mind. Next, in the third main, second one, determine the integer whose product with, determine the integer, determine the integer whose product with whose product with minus 1 is, okay, in that a, see, minus 22 into minus 1 is equal to, minus into minus is plus, 22 ones are 22. Then b 37 into minus 1 is equal to minus 37, plus into minus, minus 37 ones are 37. Then the next comes 0 into minus 1. 0 is multiplied by any number is 0 only. So this is what, this you can try some other numbers also for your practice. Next pattern you have to write starting from minus 1 into 5. Fourth main, starting from minus 1 into 5. Starting from minus 1 into 5. Write various products showing. Write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to, minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So we have to start from minus 1 into 5. See, now we start here. Minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5. This minus 5 can be written as, okay, this is given only, this no need. Next comes minus 1 into 4. It is minus 4. This can be written as minus 5 plus 1. Minus 4 can be written as like this. You do this one, you get the answer minus 4. Minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3 can be written as minus 4 plus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2 can be written as minus 3 plus 1. Minus 1 into 1 can be written as minus 1 can be written as minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 into 0 can be written as 0. It can be written as, how can it be written? Minus 1 plus 1. See, 0. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. Like that you just go on observing. This is number patterns we are writing. Next again you proceed like this. Minus 1 into minus 1. The required pattern is minus 1 into minus 1 is nothing but it is 1. And here what it comes? Minus 1. Here see, minus 2, minus 1. Here it comes 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is what the pattern what we have learnt. Okay, you have to go on writing. This is what pattern, minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. So the fourth main got over now. Fifth main. Now the fifth main is find the product using suitable properties. Find the product. Find the product using suitable properties. See, already you have learnt commutative property, associative property and distributive property. Here there are so many are there. How many? 8 sums are there. You have to find out which property it is following. So using that property you have to find out the product. So the first one, that is A. A is 26 into minus 48 plus of minus 48 into minus 36. Here this is following distributive property of multiplication. See now how can we write here? This is, you can write here, distributive property. Here see 48 minus 48 into, in the bracket we can write here 26 into, sorry, here plus 26, 48 already is taken out, plus minus 36. Okay, minus 48 into 26 plus into minus 36. So this is minus 48 into minus 10 it is. Minus into minus plus, answer is 480. So like this you have to solve this. Second one, B. 8 into 53 into minus 125. Minus 125. Here this is commutative property. This is commutative property. See how? Here see, one number is repeatedly has come. So that number is taken out as the common. Remaining two numbers will be written like this. That means this is what? Distributive property for addition. This is distributive property for addition. If in between the addition is there, for addition we can write. Next is simplification. Here how commutative property? See, 8 is 8 into, here this one, in the bracket like this we will write 53 into minus 125. This can be written as 8 into minus 125 into 53. So this is, so because of that this is commutative property for multiplication. Then this is the full answer is, for this is minus 53,000. You multiply and get these all, 125 into 8 and 53 into 8. Then we can add them. You can multiply them, you will get minus 53,000. This is what answer. You copy this. Now in the fifth main, third problem. See here. This also commutative. How can we do? These two will take in the commutative form. 15 into, in bracket we will take 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. So 15 into minus plus 25, 4 is 100 into minus 10. So 15 into 100 10 is 1000. that is minus 1000. This is nothing but minus 15,000 is the answer. So here you can write here, I forgot to write, that is commutative property. You can write here, this is commutative property, you can write. Okay, commutative property. Next, D1, minus 41 into 102. Minus 41 into 102. This is distributive. Distributive. How to write this one into distributive property? I will show you. Minus 41 into 100 plus 2. Okay. This is minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. So this is minus 4100 plus into minus 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 41 into 2, that is minus 82. So the answer is minus 4182. Okay, then the next one is E. (625) into minus 35. 625 into minus 35 plus minus of 625 into 65. Okay, this is also distributive property. How here same number is repeatedly has come, means that is distributive property. Now we will take this one 625 out, and this is minus 35 plus of minus 65. So this is what distributive. So 625 minus 35 minus 65. So this is plus into minus, minus, or better you can take here minus, so minus 625, this is into minus 100. So this is 62,500 is the answer. Then the next one, that is F1, 7 into 50 minus 2. 7 into 50 minus 2. This is distributive property. Distributive property, that is 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2, that is 350 minus 14, that is 336 is the answer. Then next comes G. G is minus 17 into minus 29. So this is also, you can write this one into distributive property. Minus 17 into, this can be written as 30 minus 30 plus 1. So we get minus 29. So this is distributive property. Distributive property. So is equal to minus 17 into minus 30 plus minus 17 into 1. Minus into minus plus 17 3 is a 510 plus into minus minus 17. So this is equal to 493 is the answer. So the next one, that is last one, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H it is. The next one is H. That is last, I think. Yes. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. So this also distributive. This is distributive property. So minus 57 is common here, can take outside. So minus 19 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 57 into minus 18. So the answer is 1180. One thousand 140. 140 is the answer. So today's homework, solve exercise 1.3 findings. Okay children, now the next main, 6 to 9 mains in the next video you are going to get. So thanks for watching, share and subscribe my channel.